No, that's the next one. What does the sheep say? Yeah. 3 singing pigs say, la la la. No, you say. That is not right. The pigs say oink all day and night. What do these ones say? Yeah. And little dogs go, ruff, ruff, ruff. Some other dogs go, bow, wow, wow. And cats and kittens say, what does Minnie say? What does Minnie say? Yeah! What does this one say? Quack, says the duck. A horse says, neigh. It's quiet now. What do you say? Hmm? That's what you say?
That's what she said the first time, too. See if she'll do the rhino again.
Kaylie, what does the rhino say? No, oink.
I think you just told the video that rhinos say oink.
Yeah.
The sheep. Good job.
What does the rhino say? No, what does the rhino do? Ooh.
I love the rhino. That is so cute.
Quack. What does Minnie say?
Meow.
What does cow say?
She's like, give me that book, Dad.
Want to try the one?
There's the rhino.
What is this? Is that a cow?
Cow.
Cow.